What up YouTube? Welcome to a new video. As you guys can see by the intro, it's actually the intro, but by the first few clips, I received a humongous package. Ordered more parts for the FC. I ordered some new pieces for the body kit, because it's not supposed to stay like that. I mean, the body kit itself stays like that, but I ordered some front fenders. We're gonna unbox together right now. I haven't seen them yet, I only opened the package. I mean, I kind of saw them. I just checked if the front fenders are actually in there, because the package is so humongous. I thought, I don't know, maybe they shipped something wrong. Package is kind of unnecessary, but at the same time not really, because they look humongous. There you go. Whoa, 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 whoa. There they are. Let's try to get one out. Oof. Hell no. Not using the mesh. Number one is out. There they are. I'm gonna unwrap them real quick. Get them out of the vinyl, foil, whatever. And then I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. In case you wonder, those are origin level fenders, like I said already. The reason why I got them is only because I wanted front fenders with like that are vented with like a cutout on the side, because I really like the look of them and kind of suits the rest of the car, the body kit. Vincent just arrived. Look at this dude. But yeah, only downside is I didn't really intend to go wider with them, with the front, but these were the only option kind of for me to get right now in Europe. So yeah, these are 20mm wider than the factory ones, but I know it's whatever, just gonna add some spacers. But they gonna look cool, hopefully.
Follow the link in the description and get your goodies now. Go do what the guy in the video just said.
Aber, come on, hey! My name is Justino, and this is Club and Joy. That shit hurt.
Stupid cunt.
Do my leg. I think my leg that made it.
Gotta do a replay.
Just completely destroyed my leg. I don't know if you can see it. Next step will be to take off the OEM ones and the rest of the kit, because to take the fenders off, obviously need to take the front bumper off and the side skirts. So yeah. Did I even show you guys the front fenders now? I don't even remember. But yeah, they are here. So yeah, like I said, take the OEM fenders off and mark them up and see what they look like. Let's go! I should've been out. I'm deadly when I pull the pin out. Keep frontin', I'ma try your shit out. I knocked a lot of men out. I left them on the floor, spitting phlegm out. It's either that or I'ma squeeze the gat and Fox in out. We see Codio, ice spinning, jigged out, white linen. And if a bitch don't like me, she must like women. Every time I come around, you see your... So, first OEM fenders off. Front bumpers off, and the side skirt that was on, or is on the car, was on. Now it was on. Yeah. Time to test these now. Yeah, let's see how they fit. So, first thought, they fit like ass. No, not really, but oops, this has to go over the fender. That's how it sits over here right now. So you guys can see. Not really, but doesn't sit too good. It has to move like way further back. But in the front, it's already touching here. So either have to cut out this part, or we heat it up and bend it a bit. I don't know if that works. Gonna figure it out right now. Yeah! Yeah, boy! First one is fitted, fits like ass. No, not really, but yeah, the first one is fitted. Like the gaps are not too bad, kinda bad, but not too bad at the same time. Yeah, just like test fitted for now with some zip ties. That's what it looks like for now. Hella sick. I love like pre-paint stage on drift cars or project cars in general. Yeah, definitely need some spacers, but I gonna run the CRKs again anyways. So yeah, something we're gonna do now is test fit the works from Manu on the FC and see what they look like. Because I had them on before and looked hella sick, but they were a bit too wide, and now with the wider fenders should fit really good. So let's test fit that. By the way, on this side and OEM, yeah, definitely a bit wider, and I think it looks way better. It flows way better with the front of the car, the rest of the body kit, if you know what I mean. Because this part is as wide as the front bumper now, not like before. OEM hella flares out. Yeah, digging it. What up? It's the next day. Yeah, stopped working on the car yesterday. Chill a bit with the homies. But that's where we stopped yesterday. The front right fender is on. And we test fitted one of Manu's work wheels. I don't remember the exact specs. I think they were like something like 17 by 10 -2 or +2, something like that. But it sits legit perfect right now. Looks so good. Next step will be the other side. I don't know if I even gonna film it, because it's legit the same process as on the other side. Some zip ties, because I can't put the rivet nuts in there right now, because I will have to drill them out again anyways to wrap the car, because that will be the next step. After I test fitted the other fender, we're gonna pull the whole body kit off and start sanding it, like prepping it for the wrapping part. Same with the rest of the car. Gonna sand down the whole car, and it also gonna go to a friend's place. Lol. He has a body shop, and he gonna fix that little rust spot that I have on the rear left arch here. Ooh. Because the problem with that is they painted the car in the 90s back then, and there's like a, wait, let me open the trunk. You can see it here. There's like a draining hole for rainwater or water in general. And once that clogs, the water collects up in here. And from what it looks like, yeah, it did exactly that. The water collected up here, and then it ran between the OEM paint here. It ran between the OEM paint and the paint they put on, like all the way down here, and then collected in there and just started rusting, which is super sad, because the rest of the car's like in really good condition, at least the body when it comes like to rust and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna test fit the other side right now. Once that is on, we're gonna put the CRKs on, the wheels that are gonna run in the end on this side, and then we're gonna see how they fit, if I need spacers or not. I probably will. The fitment was pretty decent with the stock fenders, so with the over fenders now, or the wider fenders, I most likely need to run spacers, yeah. There's one thing I didn't show you guys before on the other side. There's one part that didn't fit that well. I don't know if it was just the chassis itself, but it's probably the fender, I don't know, because the same on this side. But I had to cut this corner, this piece here. Let me show you, it was sitting like that. And because of that, the way it's bent, the fender doesn't go like all the way back and closes this gap. So, I mean, you can technically just like cut this piece also here, or like heat it up and push it out, but I knew if I was gonna try that, I'm gonna crack the whole fender somehow, because I'm retarded. So that's why I chose the way of just cutting the chassis here, a little piece. Yeah, gonna test fit the left fender now, and then, I mean, I have, in the end, later on I have to pull the whole kit off anyways again, so once I pull it off, I can also put some paint on this piece, on this spot on both sides, so it doesn't start to rust. Yeah, but that's how far I got for now. The kit on this side is off. Looks so, oops, goofy. Looks so goofy without the kit. Hella funny. Yeah, kit is laying here. Now I gotta try to test fit this fender and hope it fits. I'm done. Just put the CR Kais on. I don't know why, but I hate the way the CR Kais look on the FC. I mean, I don't hate it, but it's just something about them. They don't fit to the body style, in my opinion. It's not too bad, but after seeing the VSXX on them, on the car, and the body clubs, I don't know, just don't like them anymore. They fit decent. It's not as good as on the other side. Definitely will need to run a spacer, kind of, but I don't know if I can get it legal like that with a spacer on it. But yeah, I don't know why, but I kind of just prefer the other side, obviously. Yeah, this is way cooler than this. But the fucked up thing about it is, the CR Kais are the wheels that are legal on the car, so I mean, I don't need to keep them, but it would be like a safe thing, I know, for whatever reason in the future. But yeah, that's what the car looks like right now. That's how it's sitting. Just as on the other side. Only mounted the kit with some zip ties, and that's it. But fitment of the fender on both sides is actually not too bad. The gap here is kind of big compared to the other one. And here, still need to adjust it a bit because it gets pretty tight here. And decent on up there. But yeah. I'm not going for a perfect fit. I don't really care about the body gaps. I don't know, just don't care too much. As long as nothing is scraping or whatever. Yeah, it's a car to have fun with, not a show car, so. Still needs to look cool, but it's whatever. Yep. Tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and pull all of the body panels off again. So we can finally start to sand down the car and prep the body parts, because I'm an idiot and I already cracked the bumper. Lol. So yeah, need to repair stuff like that and fill like little holes with some Bondo or whatnot, just so we can wrap the car in the future. I still didn't decide on what color I'm gonna go with, but yeah, need to decide that soon. So I'm gonna see. Yeah, one last look. Oh, I love these wheels. Need some. It's so cool. Also, something I did is I disconnected the headlight motors so I can turn the lights on, because I got a cutout on the front bumper, so I can turn the lights on without the headlights going up. Oof. Sassy. It is so sick. Fuck right. Hell yeah. big fan of the cutouts. Yet again, another day. As you guys can see, the FC is still together with all the body parts, just like in the last clip. The front fenders are on, now with the CKs in the front. The plans have changed. I won't pull the parts off for now. I'm gonna keep it like that because I'm going to travel. The time this video is up, I'm probably already there. But you guys gonna see on Instagram where I'm heading. Something I also wanted to show you guys is this car. You guys probably saw it on Instagram, but I've been working on it the past few days. Super sick 180SX from my inspection guy. Shout out Manu. But let me show you guys what I built the past few days. Don't mind the missing rear over fenders, but yeah, that's the car itself. It still needs some wiring done. Yeah, there's still a bunch of stuff missing, but hehe, copy your stickers now. Lol. We built this whole front radiator support. It's like a custom radiator support by Enjoy, of course. But yeah, that's what we built the past few days. And besides that, a few other small stuff, but I just wanted to show you guys because I think from this angle it looks hella sick. I don't know, turned out really nice, especially for me doing it the first time. I was kind of surprised how nice it fits and the way it looks. It's like super simple the way we have done it. Not the prettiest welds, but it's whatever. Like I said, super simple, but it's gonna work. You can still use the headlight covers, like all of the stuff. But yeah, kind of proud of that. And that's also already kind of it now. And maybe you saw it in the background. There's another S13 here right now, and it's gonna stay here because my brother bought himself an S13. Super clean car. Was, I don't know, for prices, for today's prices, it was really decent. Yeah, super nice condition, S13. No rust or anything. It's like super clean. But let me turn the light on. Damn. So underneath the car, if you can see it, I don't know, but super clean. Can't really show you the inside right now because he pulled out all of the stuff to clean it and to paint it. He wants to paint the headliner and the carpet sitting on the FC right now. That being said, I still hope you guys enjoyed the video. Nothing too special. Yeah, made some progress on the FC. Once I'm back at home, gonna continue. Gonna pull all the parts, all the body parts off, prep them, and then gonna try to finally decide on the color. Going to wrap the car. Gonna pick that up, and then the FC gonna change. Yes, sir. But yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next time.